Aromatic hydrocarbons with no benzene ring in their molecule are called non-benzenoids. The resonance energy of benzene is 150 kJ per mole and the high stability of benzene is responsible for its special properties called aromaticity. The difference between aromatic compounds and aliphatic compounds is structure rather than fragrance. Due to that overall concept of structure of benzene or any delocalization part, here one formula will start or one rule will come, that is Huckel's rule. Hello everyone, this is Harshita Bhavasar from Vidyashram PU College, Temple of Excellence. Today we are starting up session 6 from the chapter Hydrocarbons. In the last class we have discussed about alkynes, structure of triple bond, isomerism and nomenclature of alkynes, and preparation and properties of alkynes like physical and chemical properties of alkynes, how it can be prepared or synthesized, and what are the isomerism can be exhibited by alkynes, and how the nomenclature have been distinguished in the alkynes we have seen in the last session. In this session, we will discuss about aromatic hydrocarbons, classification and nomenclature of hydrocarbons, aromaticity, preparation of hydrocarbons. These are the contents we will be discussed in this session. So, what are aromatic hydrocarbons? It is also a branch of hydrocarbon, we know that. These are also known as arenes. Benzene and its alkyl, alkenyl and alkynyl derivatives are more benzene rings. Benzene with having alkyl like CH3, C2H5, any kind. Alkenyl and alkynyl will be derivatives present to the or attached to the benzene ring. It will be called as benzene derivatives. It can be called as arenes. Majority of aromatic hydrocarbons possess pleasant odor. Aroma means pleasant smelling. This aromatic hydrocarbon like nitrobenzene, example like that, it will be having a pleasant smell. By that smell itself we can identify that is aromatic hydrocarbon while we are doing the functional group analysis. They either fused or isolated are called benzenoids. See here, this is benzene. For some benzene it has been substituted with functional group or any derivative. This is non-benzenoid because no benzene ring only present, only rings are present with fused. It is a branch of aromatic ring, but under non-benzenoid it will be there. Aromatic hydrocarbons with no benzene ring in their molecule are called non-benzenoids. Here no benzene ring itself, benzene means C6H6, we know that one. For that any kind of substituent or any kind of fused ring may be present, but out of benzene it will be considered as non-benzenoids. Okay, these are benzenoids, these are non-benzenoids. Classification and nomenclature. The aromatic hydrocarbons are classified into two groups depending upon the number of rings present in molecule. Based on number of rings present in a molecule, it will be considered as, or it may be classified as monocyclic or bicyclic arenes. First we'll see monocyclic arenes. These include benzene and its derivatives in which one or more hydrogen atoms of the ring have been replaced by alkyl, alkenyl, alkynyl or aryl groups. Depending upon the number of substituents present on the benzene ring, they are further classified as. See here, the hydrogen atoms which are presented in the benzene, it should be replaced by any kind of alkyl, alkenyl or alkynyl substituent or aryl groups also it may be present. Based on that number of substituent, it is further divided. Okay, it may be single, it may be double, or any kind of number of substituent can be present. In that mono-substituted benzenes are there. According to IUPAC system, name of such hydrocarbons is obtained by prefixing the name of substituent to benzene. You know that IUPAC nomenclature, you know prefix, suffix, everything. Here benzene is a prefix while using the substituted benzenes. You have to name that benzene. In this system, trivial name is retained particularly for the lower homologous. The common name is given in parentheses. Homologous series, the common name or trivial name will be called as such. For the higher homologous series, the IUPAC name has been given. See here, methyl benzene. But here, It is a lower homologous series, that's why we'll call it as toluene itself. Next, biphenyl, 2 phenyl rings are present, but it can be called as phenyl benzene also. It's a common name, biphenyl. Next one, disubstituted. Here 2 substituent will be present. That's why it will be called as xylenes. Here 2 substituent at the ortho position. Okay, 1, 2 dimethyl benzene. This is meta position. At the meta position 1, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 1 and 2. 1, 4 dimethyl benzene at the para position, para-xylene. Next one, polysubstituted. It may be 2 or more substituent will be attached for the benzene. Okay, this type of arenes, 3 or more substituents are present on benzene ring. They are known according to the IUPAC system. This is little bit higher homologous series. It will be named under the IUPAC system. 1, 2, 3 trimethyl benzene. See here 1, 2, 3. All are 3 methyls are there. That's why trimethyl benzene. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 4, 5 tetramethyl, because all are methyl, 4 methyls are there. Tetramethyl benzene, or you can call it as Durance. Next one, it may be monocyclic or fused polycyclic. In this type arenes, 2 or more benzene rings are fused in ortho positions. See here, this is ortho position. At that ortho position, 2 rings are fused. It may be called as naphthalene. Here, phenanthracene. Here, see here, ortho position is there here. So, it is also fused. Next one, isomerism in arenes. Benzene is symmetrical where hydrogen atoms are identical. Benzene is symmetrical where hydrogen atoms are identical, means all are having hydrogens. So, at any side it is symmetrical and hydrogens are identical. The replacement of one hydrogen by any substituent gives single monosubstituted product. Thus, the disubstituted and polysubstituted products of benzene exhibit this position isomerism. The alkyl substituent or many present on benzene ring show chain isomerism. For example, hydrocarbons with molecular formula C8H10 has 4 isomers. See here, ethyl benzene means 2 carbon atoms are present attached to benzene. That's why ethyl benzene we can call it. Okay. Here 1, 2 dimethyl benzene. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can call it as orthoxylene. Based on position, this is metaxylene. For this one, it is meta. Correct. And this is paraxylene. Means here position of substituent or substituents are different, but the molecular formula is same, C8H10. That's why it will exhibit the position isomerism. In the alkyl substituent, it can possess chain isomerism also. Next one, resonance and stability of benzene. The structures proposed by Kekule and Dewar do not represent the benzene molecule. Okay, the Kekule and Dewar are the scientists. They proposed the structure do not represent the benzene molecule. The actual structures of benzene is a combination of all these structures called resonance hybrid. What are the structures we will write on benzene? It may be alternative double bond like this, or it may be like this also. But overall, you can write like this also. It's a resonance hybrid of these 2 structures. Structures contributing to resonance hybrid are known as resonance structures. Okay. Or it can be called as Kekule structures also. Benzene is a resonance hybrid of the following. Here see, here double bond is alternative have been started like this. But here alternative to that it is double bond is present. But overall ring is present. That is resonance hybrid. Kekule structure contribute to resonance hybrid to the extent of 80%. His structure will contribute for the resonance hybrid of 80%. Hence, they explain the most of the reactions of benzene. Next one, resonance and stability of benzene. Still, the energy difference between Kekule structure and resonance hybrid is called resonance energy. The difference between this structure and this structure is called as resonance energy, which accounts for the unusual stability of benzene. Between the resonance structures, you know the energy will be lesser than the stabilized structure. The resonance energy of benzene is 150 kilojoule per mole, and the high stability of benzene is responsible for its special properties called aromaticity. Here one concept will introduce here, aromaticity. Whether the compound is aromatic or non-aromatic, you can identify through the compound. What is that concept? We'll let you know now. Before that aromaticity, the structure of benzene or valence bond theory will understand now. Each carbon atom of benzene is sp2. We know that benzene is alternative double bonds will be present. Whenever the double bond is present, it will be sp2 hybridized. 2 out of 3 sp2 hybridized p orbital of each carbon atom form 2 sigma bonds with adjacent carbon atom. In between that, sigma bonds will be present. In this also, adjacent sigma bonds will be present. The third sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon participate in the formation of sigma bond with hydrogen atom. The third sp2 will participate in the formation of sigma bond. Okay. Each carbon atom contains unhybridized pz orbital. Each sigma bond will be having pz orbital. You know that p orbitals are 3, px, py and pz. This pz orbital, unhybridized p orbital will be present. The unhybridized p orbital of each carbon atom lie perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond. If it is, the plane of sigma bond is there, to this pz will be present. They overlap sideways with similar orbitals of adjacent carbon atoms, forming pi bonds. Usually, you know, pi bonds how will be formed? The parallelly overlapping will be present. Each p orbital can overlap equally with the neighboring p orbitals, resulting in the delocalization of pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the ring. Okay. See here, this is benzene ring, means these are the p unhybridized p orbitals will be present. And this is perpendicular to the plane, this is plane, this is p orbital, means it is perpendicular above and below the plane. Thus the electrons are involved in the formation of more than one pi bond. As a result, pi electrons are delocalized. What will happen? The pi electron starts delocalizing. Because these are the pi electrons, it will start delocalizing like this. This delocalization of electron density in the ring results in the release of energy called delocalization energy. In benzene, delocalization energy will be more, which is equal to the resonance energy. Thus, extra stability of benzene due to the delocalization of electrons. This movement of electrons will start place, that is delocalization of electrons. See here. Due to this perpendicular position of p orbital to the plane of sigma bond, so it starts delocalizing. The resonance energy will be equivalent to the delocalization energy. When it is equal, the stability will be more. That's how they are explaining here. After that overall delocalization, it will form a resonance hybrid. Okay. This is about the structure of benzene. Next one, aromaticity or aromatic character. You know that we have told in the previous that in this session only, benzene will show the aromaticity concept, how it will show whether all the rings are aromatic or not, we will understand now. The difference between aromatic compounds and aliphatic compounds is structure rather than fragrance. We know that aliphatic and aromatic, what is the basic difference? Aromatic will show the odor character, that is aroma, smell, and aliphatic, it is a straight chain which is not cyclic also, which will not show any characteristic feature of smell or aroma. Benzene is considered as a typical representative aromatic compound due to high resonance energy. Benzene or aromatic compounds acquire special characteristics such as to resist addition reaction. Due to its high resonance energy, it resists more addition reaction, readily undergo substitution reactions and high stability. Due to its stability only, it can acquire addition reaction or it acquire substitution reaction also. These characteristics are collectively known as aromatic character or aromaticity. Okay. Major, the benzene stands for its stability only. Why that stability? Understood by the concept of structure of benzene. What is that use? It will attain addition reaction and it will sustain the substitution reactions also. That overall characters will collectively called as aromaticity. See here, the necessary conditions for a molecule or an ion to be aromatic are any kind of ion, any kind of molecule or any kind of compound. If it is aromatic means what are the rules it should be followed? Each atom in the ring must have an unhybridized p orbital perpendicular to the plane of the ring. Due to the p orbital perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond, only the delocalization of pi bonds will take place, that we have seen in the structure of benzene. Due to both the equivalence energy only, the benzene is more stable. That's why the ring must have the unhybridized p orbital perpendicular to the plane of the ring. There is a complete delocalization of electrons in the ring, that we know. Huckel's rule. Here, due to that overall concept of structure of benzene or any delocalization part, here one formula will start or one rule will come, that is Huckel's rule. What is that? 4n plus 2 pi rule. What is that n? According to this rule, cyclic and planar molecule ion containing 4n plus 2 means electrons is aromatic, where n is an integer. N can be anything. It will start from 0 to any infinity number. The delocalization of 4n plus 2 electrons above and below plane of the ring gives exceptionally high stability. If it is aromatic, it will give high stable molecule. How you can be understand? See here, one pi bond means 2 electrons will be present. Here how many pi bonds are present? 3 pi bonds. Overall how many electrons? 6 electrons are present. 6 electrons are present. To bring the 6 electron, what will be the n? If n can be, see, check once, if it is 0, for this n plus 2, equivalent 0 should be there. 4 into 0 plus 2 means it will be 2. No, it is wrong. 4n plus, if it is 1, n equivalent to 1 means 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2, 6. This 6 is equivalent to 6 electrons. That is how the benzene is completely aromatic. Okay, let's check here. Cyclopentadienyl anion is present. Okay, here what will happen? Already 4 electrons are there. 4 plus 1 minus is means 2 electrons will be added for that. Overall 6, same formula, same calculation. 4, if it is n equal to 1, it will also aromatic. See here overall 2, 4, 6 electrons are present, but plus means 2 electrons will be minus. Overall 4 electrons. 4 electrons means to bring 4n plus 2, it should be 4 only. How it can be done? 4 into 4 equals to means 4 ones are 4 plus 6, it cannot be. 4 zeros are 0. 2 means it will become 2. So any rule it cannot be possible, right? So it won't be a aromatic nature. It is aromatic, it cannot be aromatic because it doesn't follow the Huckel's rule. This is how it will follow, or it is aromatic or non-aromatic character. By the rule of Huckel's rule, you have to specify by using this formula. Next one. Preparation of benzene. Benzene is commercially isolated from coal tar or obtained by aromatization of hexane, which is isolated from petroleum. It can be prepared by coal tar or it can be prepared by the cyclization of hexane. So first we'll see cyclic polymerization of ethane. When ethane is passed through red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin, undergo cyclic polymerization to form benzene. See, this is CH and CH, that is ethane. What will happen? The cyclic polymerization will take place. That is how the benzene will form. At the high temperature and pressure, that complete polymerization will take place at 873 Kelvin. The benzene will form. Next one, decarboxylation of sodium benzoate. When sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime, benzene is formed. This is sodium benzoate. Okay, COOR is benzoate, and treated with base in the presence of calcium oxide, that is soda lime. It forms benzene with the sodium carbonate. Here reduction of phenol. Phenol is reduced to benzene by passing its vapors over heated zinc dust. Over zinc dust, phenol will be reduced. Reduced means hydrogen will be added. How it will be there? It will form zinc, that oxygen will be removed. Zinc dust will take that oxygen molecule as a zinc oxide. This is the topics of, this is the concepts of aromatic hydrocarbons till the preparation. Okay, we have seen the structure of benzene, we have seen the aromaticity with the Huckel's rule and the preparation of aromatic hydrocarbons. In the next class, we will see about physical properties and chemical properties of aromatic hydrocarbon. Next, carcinogenicity and toxicity of aromatic hydrocarbon we'll see in the next session. So, I hope you have understood completely whatever we have discussed today. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.